Assalamu alaikum. So in this video I'll be answering my question 1 of the DLE assignment 3, in which we have to create a 4-bit arithmetic logic unit which should take inputs from the keypad. So for this here I have designed the circuit here. So in this we can see there's a keypad which is giving us which is connected to this IC MM74C922, which is the IC for this keypad, which will generate a combination at the output when any one of the button of the keypad is pressed. Now the output generated is not in binary, in BCD. So to convert it into BCD, I have created a converter here of my own by creating a truth table and creating the Karnaugh maps related to it and finding the output equations. So I can show you here. So this is the whole circuit for that which I have created. So here I am taking 4 inputs from this IC and generating 4 outputs which are in binary, in BCD binary. So let me show you here. Run this. As I enter 2, you can see 2 is here. As I enter 3 is here, 6 is here, 9 is here, 5, 4. So this is the purpose of the BCD converter. Similarly, another I have placed here. These both are same for the same purpose. Now from this BCD I have attached connected 3 latching ICs 4508 which are basically storing the inputs. So first, when the user presses a number, it's stored in this IC. Then when presses sign, then it is stored in this IC, and when it presses another number to perform the function, it is stored in this IC. And further, these ICs are connected to this multiplier IC for multiplication, then this adder IC for addition, and this subtractor IC, then this again an adder IC in which I have made the input one of the inputs not, and I have given a carry input of 1 which will give me subtraction at the output. So, and to know which answer that we should look, multiplication, addition or subtraction, I have created these selector ICs in which I have created circuits which tell us, here we can see there's some simple circuits which will tell us that which function is performed, that the user has selected which function, addition, subtraction or multiplication. So let me show you. If I select multiplication, we can see multiplier selector is 1, so we will look towards the multiplication screen to check the answer. If I press addition, you can see addition selector is 1, so we will look towards the addition 7-segment display for the answer. And if I select subtraction, we can see that subtraction I selector is 1, and we will look towards the subtraction display, find the answer. So now let me run this for you. And yes, one component left. It is this 4017 IC. The working of this is that it will generate there's a clock. I have given a clock of 4 to 5 seconds, so which is the time given to the user to input a number or a sign. So after that, so that it can be stored. So let me show you how this works. So I have run this. Now when the first LED glows, I will give an input. So first I have given input of 2 which will be stored in this latching IC. Now I will be giving second light on. So now let me addition them. So I will go addition. We can see the addition selector is 1 and the addition sign is stored in this IC. Now third, so 2 plus 4. So our answer which is for this 4 will be stored in this third latching IC, and addition function will be performed here. And as our addition selector was 1, so we will look at the addition screen, and we can see that addition 6 is here. 2 plus 4, 6 is here. Now let's run this again. Okay, so when first LED glows, I have entered 3. When a second is glowing, now I have entered some multiplication. Multiplier selector is 1, and now third input 3 again. So we can see multiplication answer is 9. Now let's look for subtraction. So first LED is glowing, so 5. Second is glown, so now we will enter a subtraction sign. We can see subtractor selector 1 and 5 minus 1 answer. We will look at the subtraction screen and we can see the answer is 4. So we have successfully created arithmetic logic unit using a keypad.